Hi, Instagram and all my viewers, YouTube and more. I wanted to actually introduce something to you. I was fortunate to be gifted with this lovely device. Some of you may have seen it scroll constantly on your current Instagram timeline, and it's called BlendJet. I wanted to share it with everyone because this particular device seems to be a great tool, and some of you might want to invest into it. Here lately, I've been on my health conscious page. I've been thinking about the whole getting right, staying fit, and thanks to level 21 by my boy Fit Flim in New York, you know, he basically, suggests always, besides working out, you also have to eat right. And of course, with any type of tool that's going to help me with making sure that my food is properly processed, I'm definitely all about it. So, the cool thing about I've noticed with BlendJet is that I can basically take, all types of fruits along with milk, juice, whatever, and make all types of smoothies, slushies, the full works. This particular device actually crushes ice in addition to making your own. And what's so cool about it is that it's so small and compact that I can just throw it in my Louis Vuitton bag and go on about my business and don't have to worry about anything and still be able to have myself a wonderful blend mix. So typically what I do, I'll put like some fruit, in a bag if I want to kind of keep it open. Unscrew it, of course. And then, just add in whatever type of juice. In this particular case, I want to make a traditional smoothie. So I'm using milk. Pour a little bit up to the milk inside of your device. It's up to you whether you want it, liquidy or a little bit more thicker. And then, of course, you want to apply your fruit into the container. Now, in this particular container device, I have a mixture combination of strawberries mixed with bananas. So, yes, I'm aiming for a strawberry banana smoothie. So, just go about dumping it all into this nice, wonderful device. Look at that. So neat. Take the top, screw it on just as lovely as can be. And then you just turn the device on. And look, it's just a one little hit. So, of course, I suggest you turn it down, bring it up, and it crushes. Look at that. I mean, you cannot say this is not a cool device. So, pretty much, you just hit the device, let it go, and it is actually decomposing all of the fruit so that you can have a wonderful slushy in the mix. Hit the button to stop, and voila. I have lovely smoothie to go. I know it's going to be delicious. At the same time, I'm staying true to my fitness plan because, of course, it's all about being fit and right. I mean, everybody's on this, get fit plan, and definitely that's what I'm on. So in the office, I can be able to enjoy myself a lovely smoothie. Or you can take it to the beach, you can take it to the park, wherever. You can be, chilling with one of your peoples. The cool thing about it too is the cleaning process for it is so easy. What they actually suggest is just take a small bit of water, a little bit of the soap, turn it on, and voila, it's actually clean. And of course, all of the parts that's on this particular device is removable, so you can even go in depth in terms of cleaning. So I definitely wanted to share with you, fam, is this wonderful device. Once again, it's called BlendJet. You're more than welcome to go there. You can use my discount code, which is Your One Queen. It's also a Cash App too if you want to be lucky and drop me some coins. But for the most part, please help yourself to BlendJet. It comes in a variety of different colors, so you just don't have to have the traditional pink that I have, of course. You can also have the blue, the black, the white, the red. It's a variety of colors that's available for you. So, of course, have this, and you can always add some more. You can put some additional protein into it. Right, some people might want to add some nutmeg and cinnamon. So, anything that can actually help your day go about. But of course, let's try. Mmm, it's actually good. And this is like my first time using this. So I'm going fresh with all of you in terms of using this particular device. I want each and every single one of you to make sure that I mean, if you come across this BlendJet and you're someone that's like smoothies, someone that's into protein shakes, someone that's into slushies, this thing right here is no joke. It is pretty decent. It's really good. I mean, I'm glad that I was gifted with this device. And yes, I'm a proud ambassador to speak of this particular component is worth the while. So once again, hit up BlendJet, BlendJet.com and order yourself one. Like I said, everyone, it is worth it for sure. I mean, you just saw in a matter of minutes, I'm sitting in my office at my desk and I'm actually putting together a blended smoothie. You don't have to worry about rushing in the morning to put one together. You don't have to worry about rushing, period. You can actually just throw this into your bag and keep it going. So, like I said, hit it up. BlendJet, you're more than welcome to use my discount code, You're One Queen. And once again, thank you all for tuning in to this live footage. In addition to, it will be up on the media production channel, which is Diamond Images. Feel free to YouTube it any given time. And although I may not be posting all the time regularly, I do appreciate everyone's support that is still continue to maintain follow me, still tune into my videos. And hit me up. I appreciate all of the support and all of the love and mwah, to all of you. So for now, I hope everyone is having a great Friday fun day. I am at work, but when it's 5 o'clock, your girl is done, and I am all ready for fun for this particular weekend. So, of course, if anyone got some plans, feel free to shoot them by because, hey, I'm available. So, once again, hit up BlendJets, and everyone enjoy yourself. Thank you. Mwah. Love you all, and I really, really do appreciate all the support. I cannot say anything more other than thank you so much.